so much for joining us this evening. This is going to be awesome. I wanted to do a couple of shout-outs just before we hit the big go button. Happy birthday to Jet, come all the way over from the Netherlands to join us to celebrate his birthday with, well, a huge sparkler, which you're going to see very shortly. Also, Grace Louise, it's her 8th birthday today as well, so if you are celebrating your birthday here at Battersea Park, what a day to have it. We are going to be lighting up this amazing London sky. Now, we've got lots of very excited people behind me, of course, including you, who are here with us. I'm going to try and work my way down the line a little bit and see if we can talk to some people as to what they might be expecting this evening. So, anyone here really excited for the fireworks? Yes, 2023, lighting up that magical. And if you could all count down with me to start tonight's show in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair. Proudly presents... your dinner. We are guests. Service to the test. Tie your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot dog dough. Why we only live to serve. Try the grace, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France. And a dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu. Take a glance and then you be our guest. We are guests, be our guest.
I'll get warm, piping hot. Heaven's sakes, is that a spot? Clean it up, we want the company impressed. We've got a lot to do. Is it one lump or two? For you, our guest.
She's our guest.
She's our guest.
She's our guest.
scream loud, 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 and oh, I know you feel the lightning, and it's so exciting. So here we go. You can't stop the thrill. No, you can't stop the thrill. Oh, know you feel the lightning. It's so exciting. So here we come. It's good enough for right now. If someone took the world would end tonight, you could take all that I got for once. I wouldn't start a fight. You could have my liquor, take my dinner, take my fun, my birthday cake, my soul, my dog, take everything I love. But oh, one thing I'm never gonna do is throw away my dancing shoes. And oh Lord, don't try me, really not tonight. I'll lay down and die, I'll scream and I'll cry. We've already wasted enough time. I'm never gonna not dance again. I'm never gonna not dance again. Oh, I just wanna up and look to my all of my clothes. Never gonna not dance again. Dance, I'm gonna dance, bruh. Dance, I'm gonna dance. Dance, I'm gonna dance, y'all. Dance. I'll lay down and die. I'll scream and I cry. You know that I'm starting a fight. I'll lay down and die. I'll scream and I cry. We've already wasted enough time. We've already wasted enough time. I'm never gonna not dance again. I'm never gonna not dance. Oh, I just wanna pop and look to my records. Think of all of my clothes. Never gonna not dance again. I'm never gonna not dance again. Gonna not dance again. Dance again. The music plays till the end. Dance again. Gonna not dance again. Dance again. The music plays till the end. I'm never gonna not dance again. Dance again. The music plays till the end. How'd it stop? Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in a
everyone here from Wandsworth Council, from all the people collecting the tickets and scanning them on the gates, for the people sorting out all of the security here at Battersea Park. Please make some noise for everyone here. Unbelievable. Thank you so much for joining us. 100,000 people over this weekend to see the most epic fireworks here in London, lighting up that amazing London sky right above the iconic Battersea Power Station. My name is Christian Williams, and again, thank you so much for coming. We have even bigger and better plans for next year. We can't wait to see you then. Have a very safe onward journey wherever you're off to, and we'll see you next year. Thanks again.